What's up, people? I did a video camera comparison. Got two cameras. One's $400. One is $65. Okay. Take a look at these videos and see which one y'all think is a better quality video. Okay. Camera A or camera B. Now, $400. That's a lot to pay for a little camera. I mean, they're nothing fancy. There's no zoom. But take a look at them. You'd be surprised on, on what you're spending for a camera and what you could actually get away with, and I think have a better quality video. But yeah, take a look at these videos. They're the same area, same time, same settings on the camera. Everything's identical, except for the camera, except for the price. And make a comment. Let me know which one you think is better, and then I'll let you know which one was $400 rip off, and which one was $65. But I don't know. I'll never buy another $400 camera. I can tell you that. There's a lot of them out there for under $100, just as good as a $400 camera. In fact, the $65 camera I have does things that the $400 one won't. So it's all about the marketing and the hype. One of them, I guess I can tell you, one of them is a GoPro, and the other one is I'm not yet sure how to pronounce it, Thii, Thieye, Thii. But I guess you know which one costs $400. But yeah, look at these videos and send me some comments. I could tell you right now which one most people would pick to be the better quality. So I'll take a look at these videos and let me know what you think.